Ta, ta, nut, naka, naka. Ta, 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 nut, naka.
Ndewonu. Ndewo Igbo bụ Igbo. Nigerians. Ndewo Nigeria. Kedu ihe na-emenụ? Kedu ihe na-afịanụ? Nke a karịkwala. Nke a karịkwala. Nke a karịkwala don be silly ma ịjụ ọkwa m. Kilode ọ bụrụ ndị Yoruba. Kilode. Kedu nke na-afịanụ? Wetin dey sup? Our Nigerians are now beginning to pay instruction to teach their children foreign languages when they don't even know how to speak their own indigenous languages. They cannot speak their indigenous languages. They cannot write it. As an Igbo woman, you cannot speak Ema Aso, Ime Ago, Ime Ede. As a Yoruba, Hausa. Now, Nigerians, this is an error that you want to invest in learning other international languages when you have not even learned your. Our local languages is supposed to be a priority before learning other foreign languages. And what are the foreign languages? Spanish, French, German. We are supposed to learn our local language firsthand. Parents, Nigerians, wake up. Begin to teach your children. Ensure they know their local language. Learning foreign languages is an additional language which should be added to the list of languages that we already know how to speak. Okay, it is an error when learning foreign languages and leaving out your local language, which you're supposed to know forehand as your mother tongue. So parents, I encourage you to invest in foreign languages when you know that your children can speak their local languages firsthand. Okay, as a Nigerian, invest on teaching your children how to speak all the local languages as well as some foreign languages, maybe for the purpose of learning abroad or working abroad, living abroad. I want you to share this video and tell me what you feel in the comment section. Okay, I love you. Thank you for watching, my beautiful friends.